good guy. Do you know how Germany harvests wheat? The amount of work on nearly 300 acres per hour is not surprising. Welcome to the agricultural industry. Let us know in this issue. The Black Beast of Fendt. This harvester is designed to be animally powerful, very aggressive. Plus black is the main color scheme. Hormones explode at a glance. This harvester is equipped with is an extremely stable door. The engine uses the latest common rail injection technology. Maximum output power up to 647 horsepower. Continuously variable speed technology co-op Jackson's track riding system. It gives him a super smooth driving experience and high operating efficiency, especially the 910 millimeters wide tracks, while significantly increasing traction. It also minimizes the compaction damage of land. Front end 90 millimeters lift cylinder, up to 6.5 tons of lifting force. Make it easy to place. The width reaches 12.2 meters. The design capacity of the 9T Granby reached 17 cubic meters. The grain spill of the speed has reached 210 liters per second. A full warehouse of grain can be emptied in just 81 seconds. Huge grain silos and efficient grain spills. Let him be at work. Reduce unnecessary pauses, enabling them to perform the most efficient harvesting operations. Working at a maximum of 15 kilometers per hour. Speed when harvesting. 270 acres of harvest can be completed every hour. The most important thing is white DL9T with only 13 belts, a chain and a drive shaft. All the components on the machine provide power while minimizing energy consumption. It also reduces the risk of maintenance and downtime. It's really greedy, but the price is as high as tens of millions. It's very intimidating. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of this German Black Beast? Follow me and let's take a look at the global agricultural machinery together. Experience the power of agriculture.